Hey yo, so this is my screen right now, and as you can see, so this account is currently on ads limits, and I'm going to show you guys the site. So let me go to the site section. So I'm going to actually cover some part of the site so that you guys will not see my site wholly, but I'm going to enter the site anyways. So if you look here, the number of ads you can show has been limited for one or more of your AdSense products. For more information, go to Policy Center. So this account got limited since September 6th, and today's date is 29th of November 2024. Okay, but it got limited about 2 months ago. But then we've been printing with these accounts. Either ways, we've been printing with this account. And if you look here, I'm going to only show you guys the last 7 days of these accounts. And the last 7 days we made $60. Now, the truth is that the potential is not really fully explored, but then we're making money, right? So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually make money with your ads limited account. This is not black hat. This is not me clicking on ads. This is not me probably using a bot or whatever to make money with this account. I mean, for a very long period of time, I've actually not showed you guys AdSense dashboard. I mean, I promised that I was not going to show you guys AdSense dashboard in one of the videos. The reason because, I mean, like, it started bringing issues to me and stuff, but then it's personal, right? Personal. So, but then I'm going to show you guys, the reason why I'm showing these dashboards is because I want to actually show you guys how you can use your ads limited account and still make money instead of leaving it dormant waiting till when Google lifts the ads limits, all right? So with that being said, you can see $60 in the last 7 days. I mean, sometimes it goes up, sometimes it can be low, all right, depending on how the ads displays on your site. So now, let me go to the site and show you guys. So this is the site, and you can see this is where ads are supposed to display. There is no ads there, all right? So I'm going to click one of the articles here. Okay, let me look for another one though. Look for older articles, all right? So let's go with this. Okay, so you can see there is no ads displaying here, right? So here there is no ads, and you can see inside the article there is no ads, right? So let's click on another one. Okay, you can see no ads. This is where ads are supposed to show, but then ads are not showing. This is where ads are supposed to show, but it's not showing. Okay, so now this is like to show you guys that there is currently no ads on the site, like there's ads limit active. But now if you look at the site, you can see this thing down here. You can see this thing down here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Artificial intelligence, right? So now if you look inside the article as well, you can see this one here, discover related topics. Okay, so these are ads, right? This is Google ads. Okay, it might appear not to be one, but trust me, it is. Okay, so now let me go to another article. Like probably you guys will notice something like that as well. Okay, it's not really available in all the articles, but if you look down here, you can still see graphic processing units. Okay, so let's scroll down. So the one inside the article is not here, but this one is still there. Now, let me click on this thing now. Let's click on it. So if you click on it, you can see searches. Now, under the searches, you can see sponsored. So this sponsored is actually Google Ads. All right, it's Google Ads, and this is called, this ads actually comes up depending on your article, right? So this article is basically talking about processing unit or whatsoever. Let me check. So NVIDIA crushes earnings expectation on AI demand, a comprehensive analysis. Now, I don't know what the article entails, but then trust me, it's talking about processing unit or whatsoever relating to this. But if you scroll down to where you have the related topics, you can see that the ads that they are recommending here is basically talking about AI, right? So you can click any of them and, see ads relating to AI. Now, when you're doing arbitrage, you're basically focusing on scholarship, immigration, jobs, and so on and so forth. So now let's go ahead and search something like that on this side, because I have something similar to that on this side. So let's go ahead with Canada. So these are Canada posts. So I'm going to click on one. So let's see what we have here. So now this one is about how to calculate proof of funds for Canada students. Student visa, a comprehensive guide. Now, if you look down here, you can see education. So what we have here is education, right? And you can see ads that are talking about education, right? So now let me show you. Let's go down to see the related ads if we have it here. Okay, so you can see we have discovered related topics here. So you can see who can sponsor me to study in Canada, apply, blah, blah, blah. So these are not posts. These are not posts that are in the site. These are Google ads, right? These are Google ads. And you can see ads. So when someone clicks on this, it counts as a click on your AdSense dashboard. All right. When someone clicks on this, it counts as a click on your AdSense dashboard. Now, I know you might be asking, how are people going to actually see this? How they actually going to click on it so that you make money with it? The way it works is that, of course, it kind of takes your article, right? It shows ads relating to your article, right? So, of course, these are some of these things are questions, right? Some of them are applied. So now when someone clicks on this, obviously the person is after probably how to, like, he's trying to apply for Canada scholarship or whatsoever. So when he comes here and sees something like apply for student visas in Canada, apply for students in Canada who can sponsor, this raises curiosity on anybody that is coming to this post, right? So, and it's going to trigger him or her to click on any of these links. Now, let me show you how to actually set this up on your site. It's actually very, very, very simple. Okay, instead of waiting for Google to, lift ads limits or whatever on your site before you start making money on your site. So now let me scroll down here again. Let's scroll down here again. You can see it's showing almost on all my articles, right? And it shows related ads. You can see who was the first woman to become a billionaire, richest when in Canada, blah, blah. And the post is actually talking about richest women, right? So this makes everything simple for you. Now, how do you set up this kind of ads on your site when your account is limited? Now, go to your AdSense dashboard. So you go to AdSense dashboard, go to your ads. Now, if you go to your ads now, I want you to go to your by adding it, right? So now this is not compulsory. This is like if you want, you do it. If you don't want, you can leave it that way. So what you want to do is to archive all your ads codes, archive all of them, archive all of them, archive all of them. I mean, it's not compulsory. Like I said, you can see I left mine like this, but you can do this if you want, right? Okay. So archive all of them. That is how you archive your ads, your ad codes. Go to your dashboard on ads on WordPress or Blogger, whichever platform you're using. Remove all active ads code on your site. All right. Remove all active ads code on your site. Now, when you're done doing that, now come back to your AdSense. Now go to your buy site where you have your auto ads. Now click on this pen icon that is showing here. Click on this pen icon. And if you click on this pen icon now, go ahead and ensure that your auto ads is on. Ensure that your auto ads is on. And go to intent driven ads. Make sure your intent ads is ticked. All right. So make sure you tick it and allow all these things, allow all them, and then apply to site. Okay. Then go back, go to your in-page format ads. All right. Turn off your banner ads, turn off your multiplex ads, turn off related. Okay, turn on related search. Okay, so this is the one that actually shows us those related ads. Now, the reason why you need to turn off this is because when you don't turn it off, Google still makes space for them on your site. All right. As you guys saw on my site, there are some empty spaces where ads are supposed to show, but they are not showing, like these empty spaces. Some of them are the manual ads unit codes that I pasted, and some of them are for auto ads to display. Okay, so but then when you disable it on your auto ad settings, Google will not make space for this. So that means they'll have more spaces to show your intent ads and then the related ads. Okay, so that's basically how it works. So make sure it's turned off and then increase your maximum number of ads to like the maximum 16. Increase it to the maximum, the highest, right? So you can leave this one at the center and then apply to site. Save and you're good to go. So with this now, Google will display intent-driven ads on your site. So, but I'm going to refresh again so that you guys can see that this is not fake dashboard, all right? So with this now, Google can show ads on your site even when you are limited, and you will still be making more than $100 in a month, all right? So, but then the only thing is that You might not really be getting those 4x, 5x conversion that you can get when your ads are fully active, right? You probably be getting like maybe 1x, right? At least you're making your money back and then extra money on top, right? And the truth is that if you have organic traffic coming into the site, even with this ads limit, it's still going to be lifted, obviously. But then another good thing is that with this on your site, you're making money, yeah, and that's linked on the site. There is no way Google will ban you, even if you like make $100,000. The only thing is that are you willing to spend probably $60,000 or $70,000 to make $100,000, right? So it's a risky one. Like it's not everybody that will be able to put in that kind of money to like expect such return. Even $1,000. Imagine spending $800 to make $1,000, or maybe $600 to make $1,000. Not everybody is willing to like give it all that risk, unless if you have a very massive CPC. Okay, of course, your CPC will take time to actually increase. I mean, I started working on this site after it got limited. Okay, that's the funny thing, right? I started working on it after it got limited. Okay, because I was using ADX on it, but then after some time I switched to AdSense, right? So maybe after working on it for like few times, it got limited, and after it got limited, I still continued working on it. Okay, so that is basically how this works. And if you find value in this video, please ensure you drop a like, and also make sure you share this video to anyone that you think might be having ads limit issues on his or her site. All right, I believe this is going to help him or her. Now, remember that you removed your codes. After your ads limit is gone, you can put your codes back, create a new code, and then reinstall it back on your site. Okay, so that's basically how it works. With that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and peace out.